Have you ever felt like life shattered you into pieces? Like everything you worked for slipped through your hands? The world calls it failure, but here's the truth. Life does not break you to destroy you. Life breaks you to rebuild you. The cracks you carry are not weaknesses. They are the very lines where your strength begins to grow. When life breaks you, it's giving you two choices: stay shattered or rise sharper than you've ever been. Think about the greatest warriors in history. None of them were forged in comfort. They were beaten, broken, scarred. But every scar was proof of survival. When life breaks you, it doesn't take away your power. It reveals it. You don't discover your strength when things are easy. You discover it when everything falls apart. The nights you thought you wouldn't survive, the heartbreak that hollowed you out, the failures that left you on the floor, that was life preparing you for the next level. A storm doesn't destroy a mountain, it shapes it. And when life breaks you, it is shaping you into something the world cannot move. Every champion you admire has been broken. Every leader you follow has tasted defeat. The difference? They refuse to stay broken. Life will test you with loss. It will test you with doubt. It will test you with rejection. And in those moments, the glitch inside you will whisper, "Stay down. You can't rise." But you must rise anyway, because your destiny is not in the comfort zone, it's in the comeback. Listen to me. You are stronger than what broke you. You are greater than your pain. Your scars are not your shame. They are your armor. And when life breaks you, you get the chance to rebuild yourself into a version so powerful that even the memory of your pain begins to tremble. So the next time life breaks you, smile. Because the world thinks you're finished, but only you know the truth. This is not the end. This is the rebirth. Rise from the pieces, stand taller with every crack, and let the world see that no matter how many times life tries to break you, you will never stay broken. But let me tell you something even deeper. The greatest version of you does not come alive in the easy seasons. It comes alive in the fire, and the fire will test you. It will burn away your excuses. It will strip away your comfort. It will force you to face the truth of who you are. And in that fire, you will discover something unshakable, a strength no loss can take away, a willpower no storm can drown, a hunger that no rejection can silence. The truth is this: life doesn't give the hardest battles to the weakest souls. It gives them to the ones who were born to rise, and that's you. You might not feel it right now. You might be tired, hurt, beaten down. But the fact that you are still here proves one thing: you are not done yet. Every breath in your lungs is evidence that your purpose is bigger than your pain. Every morning you wake up is proof that destiny hasn't given up on you. So why should you give up on yourself? The world doesn't need another person who stays broken. The world needs you, unshakable, unbreakable, unstoppable. Think about this. Diamonds are created under pressure. Steel is forged in fire. Legends are born in struggle. And you are being prepared for something greater than you can imagine. Do not run from the pain. Do not hide from the cracks. Stand in the fire, face the storm, carry the scars, and rise, because one day you will look back and realize the pain you thought would kill you became the reason you came alive. Warriors are not remembered because life was easy. They are remembered because nothing could break them. And from this moment on, you are that warrior. You are that fire. You are that unshakable force the world cannot silence. So when life breaks you again, and it will, do not fear. Do not crumble. Do not surrender. Smile at the storm, stand in the ashes, and declare with every ounce of your soul, I will not stay broken. I will rise again. I will rise stronger. And I will rise until the world knows my name.